It's not going anywhere. It's back there.
So, what's happening here?
There's a bird in the house. I opened the door to clean the van out, and there's a bird's nest in the helmet by the door. And apparently it flew in. We can't find it.
So we think it may be behind the couch?
Yes.
It's not behind the couch.
Well, it could be under the couch. I saw it fly up.
Alright, let's open all these doors.
It's pretty little.
Alright, we found the bird. It's in the dining room. There it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go open a window.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
I'm gonna open this
It has
window.
Hey, guys,
rabies!
stop.
It has rabies!
Stop.
And then shoo it to one of these two. Fly.
Dude, stop! Those have screens on them back there, right?
Yeah, that's why I can't do that one. I'm gonna get the broom.
No,
I'm just gonna nudge it.
it'll freak out.
Jacob, stop.
It has rabies!
Oh, it almost found it.
I know.
No, yeah, don't do that, Mom.
I just want it to fly.
Yeah, but I think it's going to fly. There it goes. Woo! Holy cow.
House?
It's gone.
Did it have rabies?
No.